OpenText Operations Orchestration Online Training. Introduction to OpenText Operations Orchestration. Overview of capabilities and benefits. OpenText Operations Orchestration, OO, is a comprehensive solution designed to automate and orchestrate IT processes, enabling organizations to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and reduce human error in managing IT workflows. This solution is part of OpenText's suite of enterprise-grade products for managing digital business operations, focusing on the integration of various systems and automating complex workflows across the IT landscape. Capabilities of OpenText Operations Orchestration. Process automation. OO provides advanced workflow automation features that enable the creation of sophisticated, end-to-end IT processes. These processes can be customized to meet the specific needs of an organization, automating everything from simple tasks to highly complex workflows. Integration with IT systems. One of OO's key strengths is its ability to integrate seamlessly with a wide range of IT systems, including service management platforms like ServiceNow, monitoring tools, business applications, and cloud services. This integration ensures that data flows effortlessly between different systems, automating actions based on real-time events. Pre-built integration packs. OpenText provides a library of pre-built integration packs and connectors that simplify the connection to popular third-party tools and systems. This reduces the time required to set up integrations and ensures reliability by leveraging industry standards. Event-driven automation. OO enables event-driven workflows, meaning that certain actions can be triggered automatically based on events, such as alerts, incidents, or changes in system states. This feature allows IT teams to respond proactively to issues and maintain business continuity. Self-service automation. Through a user-friendly interface, OpenText Operations Orchestration allows business users and IT teams to create and manage automated workflows without needing extensive programming skills. This self-service capability accelerates the deployment of automation in the organization. Cross-platform support. OO supports diverse environments, from on-premises data centers to hybrid and multi-cloud environments, ensuring organizations can automate workflows across different infrastructures without limitations. Security and compliance. Security and compliance features are built into OO's architecture, offering secure execution of automated processes with full auditing and logging capabilities. This is critical for meeting industry regulations and maintaining the integrity of operations. Analytics and reporting. OO provides advanced analytics and reporting tools that allow organizations to track the performance and efficiency of automated processes. This data is crucial for identifying bottlenecks, optimizing workflows, and ensuring continuous improvement. Benefits of OpenText Operations Orchestration. Increased efficiency. By automating routine and complex tasks, OO frees up valuable time for IT staff to focus on more strategic initiatives. It reduces manual interventions, which helps speed up operations and minimize delays. Cost reduction. Automation reduces the need for manual labor, leading to lower operational costs. It also reduces the risk of human errors that could result in costly downtime or service disruptions. Improved service delivery. OO's ability to automate IT service management tasks, such as incident resolution, change management, and provisioning, leads to faster response times and improved service quality for end users. Enhanced agility, with the ability to quickly adapt to changing business needs, or allows organizations to deploy new workflows and processes at scale, which is crucial in a fast-paced digital environment. Getting started with OpenText operations orchestration, installation and configuration. To get started with OpenText operations orchestration, or here's a step-by-step guide for installation and configuration. 1. System requirements. Before installing OpenText operations orchestration, ensure your environment meets the following prerequisites. Hardware, at least 8 GB of RAM, 4 CPUs, and 100 GB of disk space for both application and database. Operating system, Linux, Red Hat, CentOS, or Ubuntu, or Windows Server. Database, supported databases include MySQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. Java, a compatible version of Java JDK, usually Oracle JDK or OpenJDK. 2. Download OpenText operations orchestration. Visit OpenText's official website or your company's download portal to obtain the latest version of operations orchestration. Download the necessary installation packages for your operating system. 3. Install operations orchestration. Windows installation. Run the installer.exe file. Follow the prompts to accept the license agreement and specify the installation directory. Select the components you wish to install, example Operations Orchestration Server, Designer, and Database. Linux installation. Extract the downloaded .tar.gz or .rpm file to a directory of your choice. Run the installation command rpm ivh opentext_o_installer.rpm for rpm-based systems or opentext_o_installer. For other Linux distributions. Follow the prompts to set the installation paths and database settings. 4. Configure database. OpenText operations orchestration requires a database to store runtime data and other configurations. During the installation process, configure your chosen database, MySQL, Oracle, or SQL Server, with the following steps. Create a new database schema for operations orchestration. Ensure the database user has sufficient permissions, read-write. Provide connection details, host, port, user credentials during the installation process. 5. Configure environment variables. Set the necessary environment variables such as Java_home and O_home, pointing to the directory where operations orchestration is installed. Automation with OpenText operations orchestration. Best practices for streamlining workflows. OpenText operations orchestration, or provides robust automation capabilities to streamline and manage complex workflows. To maximize its potential, here are some best practices for automating workflows and optimizing operations. 1. Define clear automation objectives. Identify bottlenecks. Assess your current workflows and pinpoint repetitive tasks, time-consuming processes, and areas with potential for error. Set measurable goals. Establish clear metrics for automation success, such as reduced processing time, improved accuracy, and enhanced service delivery. modularize workflows. Break down complex processes, decompose large workflows into smaller, manageable modules. This approach allows easier debugging, maintenance, and scaling. Use reusable components, leverage pre-built integrations and reusable workflow components to avoid redundancy and simplify the automation process. 3. Incorporate conditional logic. Dynamic workflow paths. Implement conditions that allow workflows to adapt based on different inputs, making processes more flexible and responsive. Error handling. Ensure that error conditions are appropriately handled with fallback options to prevent workflow disruption. 4. Ensure scalability. Design for growth. Automate workflows with scalability in mind, considering future business expansion and increasing transaction volume. Resource management. Allocate resources dynamically based on workload demand to avoid system bottlenecks. 5. Integrate with existing systems. Cross-platform integration. Ensure seamless integration with existing enterprise systems, example ERP, CRM, legacy systems, to facilitate data flow and reduce manual interventions. Leverage APIs. Use OpenText's extensive library of APIs to integrate third-party services and tools into your workflows. 6. Focus on security and compliance. Secure data handling. Automate data handling processes with built-in encryption and secure channels to ensure sensitive data is protected. Audit trails. Enable audit logging for all automated actions to maintain compliance and provide transparency for troubleshooting and reporting purposes. 7. Test and optimize workflows. Continuous testing. Test workflows regularly to ensure they perform as expected. Automate the testing process where possible. Performance tuning. Regularly review and optimize workflows for performance, ensuring they are running at optimal speed and efficiency. 8. Monitor and manage automation. Real-time monitoring. Use OpenText's real-time monitoring capabilities to track the performance of automated workflows and detect issues early. Alerting systems. Set up proactive alerts for workflow failures, performance degradation, or system resource limitations. OpenText Operations Orchestration for IT process automation, key features and use cases. OpenText Operations Orchestration, OO, is a powerful tool for automating IT processes and workflows across diverse IT environments. It helps organizations to streamline their operations, improve efficiency, and reduce manual intervention by automating routine tasks. Here are the key features and use cases of OpenText Operations Orchestration for IT process automation. Key features of OpenText Operations Orchestration. Workflow automation. OO provides a graphical interface to design and implement workflows. It supports drag-and-drop functionality to design complex workflows and automates tasks such as provisioning, configuration management, and incident response. Integration with IT systems. OO integrates with a wide range of IT systems and applications, example servers, networks, storage, security devices, and monitoring tools, enabling seamless automation across the enterprise IT infrastructure. Automation of complex processes. It supports automation of multi-step processes with logic to handle different scenarios. This can include tasks like system provisioning, software deployment, patch management, and incident resolution. Real-time monitoring and alerts. O offers real-time monitoring capabilities to track the status of workflows and processes. It can trigger alerts based on predefined thresholds or failure events to ensure IT staff is aware of issues as they arise. Self-service automation. Through self-service portals, users can initiate predefined workflows such as password resets, service requests, and system access provisioning without requiring IT intervention. Centralized orchestration. O provides centralized orchestration capabilities, allowing users to monitor and manage all automated tasks and workflows from a single interface. This reduces complexity and improves visibility. Role-based access control, RBAC. O supports RBAC, allowing administrators to control who can create, modify, or execute specific workflows based on roles and permissions. Automated incident and problem management. The platform can automatically detect incidents or problems and execute remediation steps. For example, it can automatically escalate tickets, restart services, or even replace faulty hardware components. Reporting and analytics. O provides robust reporting tools to track and analyze the performance of automated workflows. It allows users to generate reports on process efficiency, compliance, and service-level agreements, SLAs. Cloud and hybrid environment support. O supports both on-premises and cloud environments, making it versatile for organizations with hybrid IT infrastructures. It can automate processes across cloud platforms, example AWS, Azure, and on-premises systems seamlessly. Advanced workflow design in OpenText operations orchestration, customizing automation flows. Advanced workflow design in OpenText operations orchestration, O, focuses on creating customized automation flows that meet specific business requirements. OpenText O offers a robust platform for automating IT processes, integrating various systems, and enhancing operational efficiency. Here are key steps and concepts for designing advanced workflows and customizing automation flows. 1. Understanding the workflow model. Flow logic. Workflows in O are designed using flow elements like decisions, loops, and actions. Understanding the process flow and the sequence of operations is critical. Use cases. Identify the business requirements that your workflow should automate, such as incident management, service provisioning, or data migration. 2. Defining custom actions and integrations. Custom scripts. O supports scripting using languages like JavaScript, Python, and Groovy for custom actions. Create scripts that integrate external systems or perform complex tasks that are not natively supported. API integrations. O can be integrated with a variety of third-party systems, including service management platforms, cloud services, and databases. Custom API calls can be made to fetch or send data as part of the workflow. Reusable components. You can create reusable components such as subflows and functions that can be invoked within different workflows, reducing redundancy. 3. Advanced conditional logic. If-else logic. Advanced workflows often require branching based on specific conditions. O offers sophisticated branching, such as if-else conditions, to make decisions at various stages of the workflow. Data mapping and transformation. As workflows interact with multiple systems, data transformation, such as mapping fields from one system to another, is necessary. Use built-in data transformation tools or create custom logic to manipulate the data. Error handling. Build error handling into workflows to ensure graceful failure and easy troubleshooting. This might include retry mechanisms, notifications, and fallbacks. 4. Scheduling and triggering events. Time-based scheduling allows you to set up time-based triggers for workflows, such as performing daily system health checks or automatically scaling resources based on usage patterns. Event-driven workflows automate workflows to respond to system events, example, when a server goes down or when a service request is logged. Event-based triggers can be tied to monitoring systems or message queues. 5. User and role-based workflow design. User input and approvals. For workflows requiring human interaction, you can design approval or input steps where users can approve or modify the flow. Role-based access control, RBAC, ensures that only authorized users can approve or alter critical workflow steps. Notifications and alerts. Set up notifications, example email, SMS, or an app, to inform stakeholders about workflow status, errors, or approvals needed. 6. Performance optimization. Scalability. If your workflows are likely to be triggered frequently or involve large volumes of data, ensure your designs are optimized for scalability. This can include using batch processing, leveraging queues, or breaking workflows into smaller, independent units. Resource management. Monitor and manage system resources to avoid overloading the environment. For example, limiting the number of parallel tasks or managing memory usage can help keep workflows efficient. Integrating OpenText operations orchestration with third-party tools, enhancing ecosystem connectivity. Integrating OpenText operations orchestration, or with third-party tools, can significantly enhance your ecosystem's connectivity, automate workflows, and streamline processes. This integration helps in creating a unified environment where disparate systems communicate seamlessly, improving overall operational efficiency and reducing manual interventions. Here's an overview of how to approach the integration. Key integration strategies. API-based integration. OpenText provides a robust set of RESTful APIs, which can be leveraged to connect with third-party tools such as monitoring systems, ITSM, IT service management, solutions, or cloud platforms, AWS, Azure. APIs enable two-way communication, allowing external systems to send and receive data to from O. This is especially useful for triggering automated workflows based on events or data from third-party tools. Adapters and connectors. OpenText often comes with pre-built connectors or adapters for popular tools, example, ServiceNow, BMC Remedy, Splunk, Jira, etc. These connectors simplify integration by providing predefined configurations for common integration scenarios, reducing the need for custom development. Custom integration, scripting and orchestration flows. For tools without out-of-the-box connectors, you can develop custom integrations using scripting languages such as JavaScript, Python, or Groovy, within OO's orchestration workflows. Custom flows can be created to interact with third-party APIs, process data, and trigger specific actions in the integrated systems. Event-driven integration. Integrating OpenText OO with event-driven systems, example, monitoring tools, cloud infrastructure management platforms, can enable automated responses based on system alerts or events. For example, when a server health check fails in a third-party monitoring system, an event can trigger an automated response, like restarting the service or notifying an administrator via OO workflows. Message queues and pub-sub mechanisms. For high-throughput environments, tools like Apache Kafka, RabbitMQ, or ActiveMQ can be used to send messages to OO. This ensures scalable and reliable communication between systems. OO can subscribe to specific queues or topics to listen for incoming events and initiate workflows in response to those messages. Cloud-based integrations. Many organizations use cloud-based tools for project management, customer relationship management, CRM, or cloud monitoring. OpenText OO can integrate with these cloud services via APIs, OAuth authentication, and secure webhooks to automate processes such as creating support tickets or updating CRM records based on business rules. Integration with IT Service Management, ITSM. Integrating with tools like ServiceNow, BMC Helix, or Cherwell can help streamline incident management, service requests, and problem resolution. For example, OpenText OO can automatically create and update incidents in ServiceNow based on real-time system events or predefined triggers. Security features in OpenText Operations Orchestration, safeguarding automation processes. OpenText Operations Orchestration, OO, includes several security features designed to protect automation processes, ensuring that tasks, workflows, and data are safeguarded against unauthorized access or malicious activity. These features are critical for maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of automated workflows across organizations. Key security features in OpenText Operations Orchestration include Role-Based Access Control, RBAC. Granular Access Management allows organizations to define roles and permissions, ensuring that only authorized users can execute specific actions or access sensitive data within orchestration workflows. Customizable roles. Administrators can create customized roles to enforce least privilege access, reducing the risk of over-permissioned users. Authentication and Single Sign-On, SSO. SSO integration. OpenText OO supports single sign-on, enabling seamless access control across applications and reducing the need for users to remember multiple passwords. Strong authentication methods, integration with external identity providers, example LDAP, Active Directory, ensures that user authentication is robust and secure. Audit trails and logging. Comprehensive audit logs. OpenText OO tracks and records all actions taken within the orchestration environment. This includes who initiated tasks, changes made, and successful or failed operations. Real-time monitoring. Continuous monitoring of automation activities helps detect and respond to potential security threats immediately. Data encryption. Data in transit. OpenText OO uses secure protocols, example TLS SSL, to ensure that data exchanged between different components of the orchestration process is encrypted and protected from eavesdropping. Data at rest. Sensitive data stored in databases or repositories can be encrypted to prevent unauthorized access. Secure integration. API security. OpenText.o supports secure integration with external systems via APIs. OAuth and other authentication mechanisms ensure that only authorized applications can interact with the orchestration engine. Web Service Security ensures that communication between OpenText.o and external systems via web services is encrypted and authenticated. Access to sensitive data. Variable and credential protection. When working with sensitive data, example passwords, API keys, OpenText.o provides secure handling through encrypted variables and credential management. Secret storage. Sensitive information used in workflows, example database passwords, authentication tokens, can be securely stored in secret management solutions or the orchestration platform's encrypted vault. Why choose ProExcellency for OpenText Operations Orchestration Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for OpenText Operations Orchestration or online training can offer several key benefits. Expert trainers. ProExcellency has a team of highly qualified and experienced trainers who are experts in OpenText operations orchestration. They bring practical knowledge and real-world insights that can make complex topics easier to understand. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program is likely to cover all essential aspects of OpenText.o, from basic concepts to advanced automation techniques, providing a well-rounded learning experience. Flexible learning. ProExcellency offers online training that can fit into your schedule. This allows you to learn at your own pace and convenience, ensuring that you can balance your professional and personal commitments. Hands-on learning. The training includes practical, hands-on sessions where learners can work directly with the OpenText.o platform. This can help reinforce theoretical knowledge with real-world application. Industry-relevant skills. By choosing ProExcellency, you gain expertise in automating business processes with OpenText operations orchestration, a critical skill for streamlining operations, reducing errors, and increasing efficiency in business workflows. Customized training. ProExcellency offers tailored training solutions based on the specific needs of the organization or individual learner, ensuring that the training is highly relevant to your job role or business requirements. Certification preparation. If you're aiming for certification, ProExcellency's training can guide you through the preparation process, helping you gain the skills required to pass certification exams. Post-training support. ProExcellency often provides continued support after training, ensuring you can clarify doubts and get assistance when applying your new skills in real-world scenarios. Thank you.